Next, the REST interface. Okay, so this is, how do we get data out of VTScada? A lot of people, if you're doing machine-to-machine interfaces, a lot of people, REST is now a very, very popular choice. And we ship a really good example with VTScada. It's in the same directory as the training simulator. If you go into C VTScada examples directory, there's actually a little HTML file. I've got it, I should have it open here, the REST interface demo. So if you open the file, you have to set up your machine as a ODBC server. And that's done, there's help files, as you might imagine. And it's actually linked from the HTML there. So you can actually click on the link. I don't have internet access here at the moment. But it'll step you through, step by step, how to set that up. What's neat about this is it allows you to do SQL queries. And I apologize for the way I say queries. Everybody laughs at me. It's how I pronounce the word query. But we can do a number of things. So here I've done a select timestamp from my sine wave from the history table. And if I run that query there, you'll see it's just going to give me a whole bunch of data, timestamp and value. But there's a whole bunch of things you can do here. So we can do get tables. And that will return a list of all the tables that VTScada will support and return real-time information to a REST API. So it allows the data exchange, really straightforward, really nice, simple way of grabbing some data from VTScada. So if you go into the C VTScada examples directory, I'll just bring that up. Make sure I've got this right. At the very top, you'll find a REST interface example. In there is the HTML file. Just double-click on that, follow the instructions through, and you're laughing.